Your key has arrived. Download the program using the following download link. Once the download is complete, follow these steps. Depending on your browser, check that the download has finished and locate the file. The file may be found in the Downloads folder on your PC. Right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. A warning message will appear. Don't worry, this is a normal process. Click the Yes button. After granting permission for the changes, the product will be installed. Once the installation is complete, open any Office application and go to Account bottom left. Then click on Change Product Key, located on the right below the Office icons. Enter the activation key. When launching any Microsoft Office application, it will be the first thing requested. Click on Activate License. Close and reopen the program. If this window appears, select Activate via Internet, then click Next and Close. All done. Your license has been successfully activated and your Office is ready to use.